146, room 147, interior balcony room. So first impression is this is one of the biggest interior rooms I've ever seen. So you first walk in, you've got your bathroom right here. Holy cow. So this, I didn't book it this way, it just what we got, but this is an ADA bathroom, so you have a little bit bigger shower. And your bathroom's a little bit bigger. So you got that, and you got your toilet. All of this is for a handicap accessible room. It was just what was assigned to us. However, I like it because it's a lot bigger. So that's really nice. So in here you come in and you've got your full length mirror right there. You have a desk and lots of storage space. All your drawers here. There's probably a mini fridge, closet space. And I'm not going to go through all these drawers because more space. There's tons and tons of storage. You have a couch, and we have 3 people in this room, so we have a little rollaway bed and your room. So the coolest thing about this room is this. This is your virtual balcony. So it is live for what is outside. So it's a cheaper option than a balcony. A little more expensive than the interior rooms, but it's like you're looking outside. That is so, so cool. So the other thing is, here you go. You have all your ports. You have regular, and then USB ports. That's pretty cool too. And your lamp. It's a pretty cool room. I like it. TV's here, which is kind of odd that the TV is here, considering your bed is all the way over here. But it's a nice room. I enjoy it.